Hello everyone, welcome to mechepisode. In today's video, we will see about rip command and shell command in solidworks. First, select the line and draw like a L section. Now join this and press escape. Select smart dimension. Give this dimension 150 mm. This one also 150 mm. Give this space 25 mm. And this one also 25 mm. Now exit the sketch, go to features and click extrude boss base and give the dimension 120 mm. And click OK. Now this one is OK. First one, the rip command. Now select this, go to reference geometry and click plane. Now the plane is created. The distance is give 60 mm and flip offset. This plane is placed in the middle of this object and click OK. Now select this plane and sketch and press Ctrl 8 and select the line and select this point and through this point. Now exit the sketch, select the sketch, go to features and click rib. Wait a minute, I'm just updating this. Now select the sketch and select the rip command. This one is right corner, this one is middle and this one is left corner. Select both sides and click downside and click OK. Now rip command is formed. This one is for supporting structure and the next one is shell. And closing this. Now select any one plane, go to sketch and drawing a center point rectangle and click OK. Go to smart dimension, give this 100 mm and the top one is give this 200 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now exit the sketch, go to features and extrude boss base. This one is give 50 mm and click OK. Now select boss extrude 1 and click shell and select this one, click shell outward. Now give the dimension is just I need 10 mm thickness Now I give 5 mm and click OK. Now the wall thickness is 5 mm and shell command is formed. Which side you click, the shell is formed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to mechepisode.